you have enough to eat?
Layla, come here. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
You can't go in there.
Want to teach him how to do it? Aren't you? Want to teach him how to do it? It's hot, Becky. It's not. You don't think it will burn her? Oh, it might. Mine will. Mine will. That is hot, honey. Hot, hot. I thought it would cool off by now. Hot. Hot.
Don't
Hot.
touch.
She was filling dishes in the dishwasher yesterday.
Huh?
Was she?
Fast already. No, it's funny.
And they probably put it in the
Lava stone.
oven and cooked it.
It's lava stone. It's not ever going to cool off. Is that what it is?
Okay, if you
Well,
want to touch
actually,
it.
it looks like
But
it.
you're gonna be hot here.
Say hot when she touches it.
Hot. Hot. Just
Ooh. Ooh.
try telling you. Are you finished, Susan?
Okay.
Yeah.